Now come on. Abato gwana years no simple. A rabbi be our friend Barbara Hayford. And it says Zina and a cheddar a full fancy name Barbara Hayford and a cheddar or young cremonium poor by young fancy cremona cheddar mamizim amedianga. Na a rabbi is in a tenny wall or your internet no baby abafibiara people they mention her name.
Hi guys, this is Barbara Hayford. I ordered from her last year, November 2022. I paid 9,304 Ghana cedis to her to order clothes from her, clothes, bag, and everything. That's why she claims that she ordered for people. After the 4th month, I texted this lady to find out when I'm receiving my items. She has been giving me excuses upon excuses, and she even pretended as if I didn't order from her. Later, she brought it up that I didn't even pay her, but I had my bank statement.
It was say one Frey was Sunny and one trini put champion attire hunde your gag commander fire uja bram what from a park to the rich. I hire fancy YouTube and subscribe here. I must shut up more than subscribing. I hit on the notification bell near to Tumala pram and I want sa a cabinet to me it say bina it to me in command was so at share wide and now come on. Abato gwana years no simple. A rabbi be our friend Barbara Hayford. And it says Zina and a cheddar a full fancy name Barbara Hayford and a cheddar or young cremonium poor by young fancy cremona cheddar mamizim amedianga. Na a rabbi is in a tenny wall or your internet no baby abafibiara people they mention her name. The why you most wanted. Na baby said a rabbi why you then. It's alleged though. Ake, you say. Into the cheddar court to send me man a cheddar mohon. There, the mere rabbi. Nidrumezoya in the also your business woman okokwanado otukwano kwa brochi na ze ofanyama imbesiafo wanantare na ze odeba. Na se odeba ina watoni bi ibi also ibi a wo so toni nyama ne pede offer nyama ne bi bra we tum is wiskaman na wa sha would ebi a number of months bi there ebo mozna na enya twena beye ebi a 4 months 3 months wo ze nyama ne baba bet akoye de bia wo diska wazema na sika na wa lock and na ofenya nyimpa kronfenya nyimpa bien nti why most wanted I was na won hu na frano so na waka wadwena acho. But before I about kodo nyente story from Matrebe our friend Nana Equia at the pa. Shout out to you, video credits on our Dami information when nyente is all chim quite.
Welcome to another episode of POV. Let's have this conversation. This one is just passing by. So apparently this lady is called Barbara Hayford or something, and she sells on social media. She claims that she ships things from wherever to Ghana. So vendors, people that sell clothes, bags, shoes, get in touch with her, pay her money. And there's this specific girl that paid her almost 10,000 Ghana cedis just to bring in clothes for her. And this Fatty girl, or this Barbara girl, took the money since last year, November, and up till now, the said clothes did not come and the money was not returned. This girl was making a lot of noise on social media. Then, after that noise, then we realized that, this lady is scamming people. People are coming out to say that she has scammed them, she took this money from them, took that money from them, and never brought the clothes, and they said this. And I have seen her snap before. Her things are relatively very cheap. And so people, I think, vendors rushing to pay for it because they think it's cheap, and they can also do that to also boost their business. And now she's scamming people. Well, fortunately, this girl made a lot of noise about it that right now she's been arrested. And this is the picture this girl posted on this TikTok that the lady has been arrested in East Legon somewhere, right? So if you are part of those people this girl scammed, you better go and collect your money. That is what this girl is saying like right now. Hey, God, Ghana here. And she's living big life.
No asama yen cheddar ojejen kwafo won kunta wuska no delivery stardom life. Na mama catch gas na sunday e palifula boring sama. Yes. Why am I doing the muhu azo ya fufula lolo and mu atu egudo worry ye. But men kondo na za urban area do obada binu mu afọ kuti kwan bi do waji wuska. Na nyimpa na kasa worry kana asame de oyo no no dze enyim and I would genius kakasima wap from a watch girl. And come on your Barbara and be tree another man smoke a cannon some bingy.
Hi guys, this is Barbara Hayford. I ordered from her last year, November 2022. I paid 9,304 Ghana cedis to her to order clothes from her, clothes, bag and everything. That's why she claims that she ordered for people. After the 4th month, I texted this lady to find out when I'm receiving my items. She has been giving me excuses upon excuses, and she even pretended as if I didn't order from her. Later, she brought it up that I didn't even pay her, but I had my bank statements and I showed everything to her because I've been saving chats, I've been screenshotting them. This lady told me that if I want refund, I have to wait for 31st May. So she has wasted 6 months. 6 months. I didn't receive any item from her. She paid just 3K out of the 9K that she owes me. I went to the police station to report her because she told me that she doesn't care. I can send her to the police station because no one knows her exact location. The police cannot find her. They cannot arrest her. I went to the court. They cannot also serve her a letter because we don't know her exact location. So if you have any information concerning Barbara Hayford, kindly help me find this lady. I went to MTN. They are telling me they have to go through several operations to get me my refund. I'm devastated.
Right, my soya moya dodo na sabi nye oye nyimzi na wakune nyima anka sabi obi enhia na that won kukuru beye sika beye titiska na beye 100 million fam man inhun inyim bebi oti ebe tebe inti nkwama recording sisi raban nkwama wa ban de we so ne pam them catch am Yachino Filikadochi. Now watching out on a wabon kude I will be biara if it rabe wa yo bukatam ozashi when you biara bromazana bra na bra mendiana one son one fun kind of kiss and one on pale and pile yellow now one fununtum na a rabana sumite no kumo na cheda na so oje adazawa oza wododo. The men see my any clients in Emporica so Casacha one nature day. Wabado,
You know when we have our conversation, you guys do it publicly.
Yes, please, because when I sent you a message, you are telling me I have to wait for another 2 weeks before I get my money.
Madam, when you were buying the terms, didn't you read the terms and conditions?
I read it. You said it takes 4 months for you the things to arrive in Ghana.
Were you not told if you can't wait, do not buy?
But you said it's 4 months. Wasn't that what you said? I've been sending you messages upon messages, and you would tell me it's coming today. It's coming today.
Were you not told the items do delays? If you are impatient, do not buy. Were you not told?
Yes, and I've asked for my refund.
You are coming.
No, why is she even calling now? You've been texting her. No, why is she even calling now? You've been texting her, she's not replying. So why is it I've even sent her messages on Snapchat.
Inti obinis kana washumu o home jatum prodo. Asama makacho young ladies are out in 9 days. Where your business a woman when you under woman no ma what tornado or more kwala na KJT na man kesimu gomin. Say online I was saying was kaman sama fan ke dwuma na engina momentum wan for one anko school ma wembe mbodo enyim to them. We are cautioning them. Na ye besi abaso na wo so da ahye wa adweme de wan yankofo won fifiri na bafa koti kwane bido. Ma agi de miskene fi woni nsem na za abobra na za ya kasesama eraba hweye na debireba asam kesibireba inti Fati Barbara no komo ho yin allegedly what friend is coming police first when pam ema wasn't call here police station and people are adding up cases upon cases pay wa na wasn't kaka homa watching what to minti in komo record wo oye social media no do nenye Barbara Hayford why yawa we sonemu what's na kotum because odunkofo woniska oda srenanum da wiki bible poto. Now this is another fucking things happening online. What from a park or rich but mazana mamu hu adwene che what you think about this whole saga of vibe Kasamamuhu, what you think about this whole thing? Comment section, cohort, subscribe, share video no suma, obinye bin share. Baby, I will be our TikTok sub, mazana bre Facebook, another YouTube, nabu follow, sharp. Na yenzi drumana mon fata kama. Fucking sense.